Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the RSI Paint Indicator for MT4. This visual tool marks overbought and oversold conditions, detects divergences in real time, and displays painted arrows to signal potential trend reversals. In this video, you will see how the indicator marks conditions on the chart, how divergence lines are drawn, and which signal arrows are generated. The RSI Paint Indicator is designed to provide traders with a visual representation of overbought and oversold conditions, key levels that can signify potential turning points in market trends. Through its integration into MT4 platforms, this indicator leverages the power of the Relative Strength Index to deliver real-time insights into market dynamics by painting conditions in a separate window. The indicator extends its utility by detecting divergences in real time, a phenomenon where price action contradicts the movement of the RSI indicator, which is a powerful tool for anticipating potential trend reversals. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL imports. And just like that, we have the indicator installed in our chart, and it's quite easy to interpret. On the chart, the RSI Paint Indicator marks areas as overbought when the RSI value surpasses a predetermined threshold, often set around the 70 mark, serving as a visual cue that the market might be poised for a corrective move or reversal. Conversely, when the RSI value dips below a threshold, typically around 30, the indicator designates the region as oversold, signaling that an upward move or trend reversal could be in the offing. For divergence detection, if the price forms a lower low while the RSI indicator forms a higher low, the RSI Paint Indicator draws a red divergence line suggesting a potential bearish trend reversal, and when price forms a higher high while RSI forms a lower high, a green divergence line appears, signaling a possible bullish reversal. As for the settings, let's take a look at what we have. Okay, the inputs we have here available. You can set the RSI period, price type, time frames, overbought and oversold levels, show arrows on the chart. You can also set alerts. So you have multiple options for alerts. You can also choose your preferred colors, and like I said before, choose your preferred time frames. As for who it's for, the RSI Paint Indicator is aimed at traders seeking to navigate market complexities through visual representations of overbought and oversold conditions along with real-time divergence detection. Trading is inherently speculative and carries risks that can lead to financial losses, and the RSI Paint Indicator should not be regarded as an infallible predictor of market movements. Technical indicators, including the RSI Paint Indicator, are not immune to generating false signals due to sudden market shifts, unexpected news, or unpredictable events, so the divergence lines and painted arrows should be integrated into a broader risk management framework and not relied upon as the sole basis for trading decisions. You can download the RSI Paint Indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This overview highlights how visual marking of overbought and oversold zones, real-time divergence lines, and painted signal arrows can provide a comprehensive snapshot of market conditions directly on the price chart. If you like RSI-based visual indicators with divergence detection, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 tutorials.